How to create passive income for dummies if you're starting completely from scratch and have absolutely zero money. So today, guys, I want to discuss some different ideas and thoughts and concepts of passive income, how you can create passive income. This has actually been something that has been on my mind for like the last week and a half. So this weekend I was reading tons of blogs of just wanting to first figure out, okay, I already know a lot of different ways and strategy to create passive income, but I was like, there's got to be other ways that I'm missing. So I always like to look out and see okay, in 5-10 years from now, okay, is what I'm doing today going to get me to the point where I want to be in 5 to 10 years? And if it's not, then I like to readjust, resituate, and then just kind of move forward from there. Okay, so actually one of my mentors, he had this really good comment that I've always remembered, I've always really liked, and it was in 5 years or 10 years or 20 years, whatever it is, okay, no matter what, there's one truth, and you're going to be, in 10 years, you're going to be 10 years older. Okay, so it doesn't matter what you do, you're always going to be 10 years older, so it really depends on what you do today that's going to change the course of where you're going to be in 10 years from now. So passive income or residual income, basically a quick explanation, definition, is you're not trading time for money, right? You obviously got to go put in some hours and some work to actually get to that point where you're creating passive income, but it's something where you can do the work once, okay, or invest the money once, and then you're paid out long-term over a longer period of time. So I was just kind of thinking about that. I'm just okay, what number would I have to get to if I was living my dream lifestyle? How could I go through and create passive income to get to that point? And the thing is, guys, with this is not a get rich quick. This is more of the long term. And if you're slowly building, if each year you add another $500 or even $1,000 of passive income to your life, then think about that. If you're doing $1,000 every single year, it's really not that much, but after 10 years, you're having $10,000 per month of passive income coming in. So at that point, honestly, that's a 6-figure income. You can literally quit your job. You can do what you really love. And so that's what kind of the mentality that I like to think of okay, what's that number I need to get to? And what are the things that I need to do to be able to get to that passive income number that I can just live a completely carefree life, that I don't have to worry about, financial things and money coming in. And I could just do what I love, right? You can go through and start a new business. You could go and, have a passion or hobby or any of that stuff. So just a couple of things that, just a couple of examples of different passive income. So one thing, when you hear the term residual income, one thing that I think of always is network marketing, multi-level marketing. So you've got the big companies like Amway, Nu Skin. There's a tons of other ones out there, which I don't necessarily focus on that. But another method is going through and investing in real estate. So it could be residential real estate, it could be commercial real estate, it could be storage units, it could be billboards, where you go through and let's say you go and buy a single family home, right, or even a multi-family home, and you pay, let's say it's a $200,000 home, and your mortgage on that is, let's say, $1,000, and you're able to get $1,500 to $1,800 a month rent. Then you're making the difference, right? So no matter what you're doing, you're making $500 to $800, and obviously a lot of that's going, not a lot, but some of that's going to go towards taxes. Some of it's going to go towards repairs and upgrades and just keeping kind of all that property management stuff going on. But you're making a good $500 of passive income that you're making that only because you've invested that money. Now, as I was thinking about all this stuff, one key concept I was thinking was well, one, not everyone's got, $100,000, $200,000 to go throw into real estate. And yes, you can go through and you can get started with no money down. There's a lot of different plans and strategies, but I was trying to figure out things that you can get started with very little money, or even started with no money, but might be more of a time investment. Because pretty much what I've learned is everything in life, you either get there faster via money, or it's going to take a little bit of time, of your personal time, your sweat equity of going through and investing that time into some sort of business to get that investment, get that return on that investment, right? So you've got real estate, you've got kind of that network marketing. There's, I was reading some blogs and they were talking about peer-to-peer lending, which I don't know, I'm not a huge fan on that. I'm probably kind of more of a skeptic on that. But there's a site that they talked about. It's called lendingclub.com, so you guys can go check that out. I actually didn't go check that out, but on some of the sites I was reading, they said you can get about a 6 to 10% return on your money, and you can invest as little as a few $100s or even $1,000. So if you got less money and you want to go through and go do that route, then obviously that's something you can go through and make happen. Also, investing in stocks. But one thing, guys, I want to share with you guys what I think that I want to go through and continue to grow and continue to do, and creating that passive income for my life, and something that, like, in 5 to 10 years, it's still going to benefit me, and I don't have to have the high costs of even property tax like real estate, or, you know, it's going to be something that can serve me for years to come. And that is going through and continuing, one, to build my YouTube channel, so right here that you guys are watching, and then second, I'm thinking about starting a blog to go through and have similar content that I like share on the blog or share on my YouTube channel, but put it on the blog, because sometimes people like to watch videos, other people just more like to read or like to look at pictures, and so kind of having those two aspects to be able to go through and make money and grow my email list, okay? Because an email list is actually something that can create a lot of passive income, where you go through, you start building an email list, you get 1,000 people on that email list, and you've got a product, you've got your own products, you've got affiliate products. So an affiliate product is basically someone else's product, but they'll pay you a 25 to 50 to 75% commission to go through and promote their product, which is kind of nice because you don't have to worry about the product development, and there's sites like Commission Junction, ClickBank, where there's tons of products in all these different markets that you can go through and promote. Now, the reason why I like a blog and I like a YouTube channel so much, this goes back to when I was first getting into the whole digital marketing space, and I started up a dental website. And to promote that dental website, I started a dental YouTube channel. Okay, in this dental YouTube channel, I was going through and targeting keywords like dental implants, teeth whitening, cost of dental implants, like all these different keywords. And the idea was to have people find my videos, because they were searching on YouTube or Google or something like that, find the videos, and then they would eventually go to my blog. Now, the wonderful thing about this is, unlike a Facebook post or even an Instagram post, which those are both great platforms to go through and build a following on, but you make that Instagram post and 3 days later, it's so deep in the news feed that it's really not going to benefit you. Okay, whereas if you go through and make a YouTube video just like this one, or if you make a blog and you have a blog post and you're targeting specific keywords, so like for example this one, how to create passive income for dummies in 2018, then that's something that people are going to actually type in the search engine, okay? And then in 5 years, 10 years, and all that stuff from now, if it's ranking in the search engine, people are still going to find that. Okay, so that is passive income that you go through and you're able to make. So you go through, that basically is an asset that you have that absolutely never dies. Okay, so like unlike, I kind of call that virtual real estate, right? So you've got a blog post, which is kind of like a plot of land, okay, that you own, or a YouTube video is like another little plot of land that you own. And if you guys put ads on it, or if you go through and you have, you know, an opt-in to your email list and you're selling other products, these are just different little ways to go through and monetize this following and this blog that you're creating. And remember, guys, like, you got to think long term, right? So many people get into it and they're like, oh, I didn't make money the first month, I didn't make money the second month, the third month, and they just kind of quit. Whereas, like, if over the course of a year, you could just make an extra $500 a month, you could grow to $500 a month, that's $6,000 for the year. Right? That's pretty nice. That's like, that's a hefty car payment right there, $500 a month. Okay, so that's the way you just kind of got to think about this passive income and these different strategies, where you don't have to have a ton of money to go through and invest into real estate, but if you put in the sweat equity, the labor, and go through and figure out, learn a skill like how to go through and start and grow a YouTube channel, how to go through and start and grow a blog, how to go through and start building an email list and sell affiliate products, just different things like that. There's so much free material all over the internet on how to start a blog, how to start a YouTube channel, how to start an email list, how to go through and promote affiliates products, because a lot of times the product owners, if you are an affiliate, they have a ton of free coaching and free training just to give you, because they want you to promote their own products, right? So it's a great way to go through, create a video, how to whatever, okay, and then 5 years down the road, if someone's looking to go through and how to create passive income, or how to run a Facebook ad, or how to do whatever, they're gonna see that same video that you ranked so many years past. Like, I've got videos that I put up in January of this year, because that's when I started really getting serious with my YouTube channel, and now they've got about 30,000 views, whereas that first day or those first 2 days, they maybe only got like 100, maybe 200 views. Okay, so it's just all that attention that builds up, and you're able to go through and create passive income. And in the last 6 months, I've been able to grow this YouTube channel to making about $1,200 a month of passive income. So just think about that. I mean, obviously, that's a little bit quicker than most people because I've got somewhat small channel still. It's about 8,000 subscribers, $1,200 a month, whereas I know other people who have bigger channels than I do. Like I've got a friend, he's got a channel with 300,000 subscribers, and he's only making about $3,000 in passive income. And that's because the audience is just different, right? So he's going after an audience that is just always on YouTube, and they're just kind of like watching, seeing all these different ads. Whereas like the audience that I target is more business owners, you know, real estate agents, it's people that are a little bit higher quality of value to YouTube and to advertisers when they're going through and displaying their ads. So anyway, guys, hopefully this was helpful as far as like some different ways to go through and create passive income for your life. And just think of that long-term mindset, okay? In 5 years, in 10 years, in like 15 years, what can you do that's maybe adding $100 a month of passive income to your life? So if you're adding $100 of passive income every single month, by the end of the year, after 12 months, you're at $1,200 a month of passive income. Okay, and yes, it's not completely replacing your full-time job right now, but give it a couple years, give it 3 to 5 years, and that completely replaces your full-time income, where if you wanted to quit your job and focus 100% full on, you know, creating a YouTube channel or creating a blog or any of these different things, you go through, create that passive income, and then the money you're making from that, you can go through and invest into real estate. You can invest into stocks. You can invest in just a bunch of different things. But the key is you just got to start small. You got to start somewhere, and the best time to start is right now, because you know if you go down 5 years from now and you're like, man, I should have started creating passive income, because believe me, at some point there's going to be a time in your life where you're like, man, I wish I had more passive income. When you get to be about 50, 55, 60, 65, and you're thinking about retirement, you're going to wish that you had started earlier of creating that passive income so that you can go through and support your lifestyle, however grandiose you want it to be, or however just small and simple. Just be able to have that money coming in so you don't ever have to worry about finances ever again, all right? So anyway, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video and you want me to make more videos about creating passive income and how to do it with a YouTube channel or a blog or different things like that, drop a comment down below, or even just kind of even building an email list, and I'm more than happy to create more videos of how I've gone through and created different passive income streams for myself and my life and my business, and I want to be able to go through and share those with you guys 100% for free here on this channel, because I'm here to support you guys. I'm here to help you guys with everything that you're doing. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're brand new here, make sure you guys subscribe, because we launch new videos every single week, how to generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business, right? So thanks so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you all later.